Say, O people of the book, come to terms common between us and you. That we worship none but God, and that we associate nothing with him, and that none of us takes others as lords besides God. And if they turn away, say, bear witness that we have submitted.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear young scholars, as per our yesterday's planning, we will be adding some other feature to our class, that is that audio and visual contents. I'll show you some video, and there will be questions based on that video. Clear? But that will be the second part of our class today. And have a look at the clock. It's 10:40 a.m. right now. You can write 10:40. Mashallah, I think we did it now. Great.
Yes.
So 10 even it's today's 20th, I think, 20th October. See, we talked about two formats yesterday. That was 69, I think. 69?
Yes, sir.
And format number 6, it is based on the question that who will be there and what will he or she be doing over there. For example, right now, who will be there at your home? We are revising, this one. Please add. No, it's now 10:41, I think, Let me know who will be there at your home.
Nobody.
No, none will be there at your home right now at this time.
Yes, sir.
Nobody will be there at your home right now. Very good.
My cousin.
Your cousin will be there.
Yes.
And let us know that what will he be doing right now. You are familiar with his activities, you know his schedule, you know about his that likes and dislikes.
Yes.
At this particular moment, what will he be doing?
My mother.
So sorry. Your cousin.
He will be working.
He will be working.
Yes.
What kind of work will be being
Office.
done? Okay. He will be doing his office work in the house, at home.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Great, So he will be doing his office work, He will be, you can say, preparing some file, the office file, the official. Okay.
My mother will be cooking some food.
Very good. Your mother will be there at home, in the kitchen, and at this moment, right now, she will be cooking food. For lunch,
Yes, right.
so that she can serve her family. This was the format which we discussed in detail yesterday.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, the hospital generally, do you know about the timing of the hospital nowadays, the official timing?
8 a.m. to 2 p.m.
8 to 2.
Yes, sir.
8 to 2. Very good. Please, the timing? No idea.
Yes.
8 to 2.
8 to 2. So let's know majority has authority. Okay. See, so it is now the 10:44 a.m. right now, and the hospital. Now the timing of the hospital is 8. My question: who will be there in the hospital right now? There will be doctors in the hospital. There will be patients in the hospital. There will be different people in the hospital. There will be technicians, lab technicians in the hospital. Clear?
Yes, right.
There will be medical rep.
Very good. There will be medical reps, representatives, in the hospital. Very good. Next question. What will the doctors be doing? What will the patients be doing? what will no the medical representatives be doing now at this moment, please? The doctors, let's talk about doctors. What will the doctors be
The
doing?
doctors will be checking the patient.
Very good. The doctors will be checking the patients.
Yes.
I requested no to replace this word.
Examine.
Very
Yes.
check, examine. So the doctors will be examining the patients.
Yes.
This was our yesterday's the formats which we discussed in detail.
Yes.
Please, what will the doctors be doing?
The doctor will be suggesting the medicine.
Very excellent. The doctors will be suggesting the medicines to the patients.
Patients.
Very good. The doctors will be examining the patients. Very good. Please.
Doctor will be giving medicine.
Very good. The doctors will be, I corrected the same word yesterday.
The
You can watch your
the
video
doctor
again.
will be prescribing.
Prescribing.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, right.
The doctors will be prescribing the medicines.
Yes.
Excellent. This is not new. Today's lesson.
Yes.
That's format number 9.
Yes.
For how long? How long the doctors, how long
The doctor.
the doctors will what? Will have been, or you can change it, no? How long will the doctors have been suggesting the medicine to the patients? How long will, what? How long, you can check this question now, how long will the doctors have been examining the patients for? How long will the doctors have been prescribing the medicines for? Points clear?
Yes.
You can see this question over here. See, this is clear or not? How long? Then there is how long will. This is format number 9. How long will? What? How long will? What is the you will replace it with? How long will your mother? How long will your cousin? How long will your father? Clear? And after that, have been. Then there is before. And then what, where, and so on. And then there is what. For example, see, how long will the doctor, clear or not?
Yes, clear.
How long will the doctor have been suggesting,
Yes.
examining, prescribing, see, prescribing what? The medicine, examining the patients, no, suggesting what? The medicine, no. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And then there is what? This is a question. And next it will be since when.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Please, talk about that. The doctors will have been examining the patients for, have a look at the clock.
2 hours and 15.
Once again, 2 hours and 48 minutes. Motion clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
The doctors will be examining the patients in the hospitals at this time. And what is the time now? It is 10:48 a.m.
Yes.
And now the doctors reach the hospital at 8.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So it means they will have been examining the patients for 2 hours and 48 minutes.
Yes.
What's about you now?
The doctor will have suggesting the medicine for 2 hours and 49 minutes.
Once again, beta, you are skipping something. Will have been.
The doctor will have been suggesting medicine for 2 hours
And
and
49.
48.
Very good, beta. See, this is now format number 9. Today it's 20. It doesn't work. When are you? There's something wrong with me. See, this is better. Will have been, no? You know this one? Will have been. And then there is before. Thank you.
No, sir.
See, this is will have been,
Yes, sir.
and over it will have been examining, will have been suggesting, will have been prescribing, will have been counseling, will have been advising, will have been feeling what? Pulse.
Temperature.
Pulse. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Will have been diagnosing what? Different diseases. Clear? Encouraging, serving, will have been serving humanity. Clear?
Yes,
Like that.
related.
Please talk about the doctors again. What else will they be doing? One by one.
The doctor will have been operating the patient.
Very good. The surgeon, the moment doctor starts operation, we call that doctor a surgeon. Clear?
Yes.
So the surgeons will be operating the patients, okay, operating upon, okay. The surgeons will be doing surgery.
Will have been.
Very good. You are making mistakes in that particular sense. Simple. What will they be doing?
Okay.
First.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
The surgeons will be doing surgeries.
Yes, sir.
For how long?
For 1 hour.
They will have been doing surgery
Yes, sir.
for 2 hours and 51 minutes.
Okay, sir.
The surgeons know, all the surgeons know, they will be busy right now, and they would have started, the operations, Now,
8 a.m.
very good. Ji.
The doctor will be checking, the doctor will be examining,
Sorry, dear brothers and sisters.
Yes.
Examining. Examination. Ji.
The doctors will have been examining for 2 hours and 50 minutes.
Okay, see again, listen to me.
Yes.
The doctors will be examining
Patient.
the patients.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Now the next part of the sentence or the next part of the question is for how long? The doctors will have been examining the patients for 2 hours and 52 minutes. Now clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please.
The doctor will have been prescribing medicine. The doctor will have been. The doctor.
The doctor will advising the patients.
The doctors will be. The comment number 6, we did it yesterday, gentlemen. What's that, no? Will be.
First of all, we describe format number. Sir, 6. Yes.
See, gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
Always try to follow the example which I gave. See.
Yes.
Right, sir.
Again, I am giving you example. The school's timings. What's the school's time nowadays?
Sir, 8 a.m.
8 to
8 to, sir, 2.
8 to 2.
Yes, sir.
Clear. The schools now start at 2. Clear.
Yes, sir.
At 8, he says yes, sir.
Yes. Yes,
The
sir.
school start
8 a.m.
at 8. Shukar hai. And if they- he is there in Australia right now.
I think.
Very good for the call, no? See, who will be there in the schools? The teachers.
Teachers.
What will be they doing?
Teaching.
What will they be doing? They will be teaching. So the teachers will be teaching the students
Yes.
first.
Yes, sir.
The teachers will be teaching
The
the
student.
students. They will have been teaching the students for 2 hours and
54 minutes.
54 minutes.
Yes, right, sir.
2 sentences at the same time. Otherwise, the concepts cannot be clear.
Yes, right, sir.
Please.
The doctor will be prescribing medicine. The doctor will have been prescribing medicine for 2 hours and 55 minutes.
Hours. There's no age.
Yes, sir.
Hours.
Yes, sir.
Hours.
Yes.
What? Hours. Mohsin Bekar. Talk about the schools.
The student will be attending the lectures.
Very good. The students will be attending the lectures. Okay.
The student will have been attending the lecture for 2 hours and 55 minutes.
Very good. Very good. 10:40. It means we will continue until no. Okay, let's see. Please. Gentleman, Mr. Mohsin, he tells us that the students will be attending the lectures in the schools. He also tells us that the students will have been attending the lectures for 2 hours and
55 minutes.
55 minutes. Clear?
Yes.
The students will be attending the lectures. They will have been attending the lectures for 2 hours and 55 minutes. Ji, please, your turn. Schools. So I think this T, it seems to be the permanent feature of our that class, no?
Yes.
Yes.
It has become unintentionally. Okay.
The teachers
What will the teachers be doing? Some teachers will be taking rest in the staff room.
Yes, sir.
Some teachers will be correcting the notebooks.
Yes.
Some teachers will be sitting with different officers over there.
Yes, right, sir.
Like that in the admin block over there, some in the principal office, some will be there, in some other areas. Clear? Some teachers will be doing justice, with their teaching. Points clear?
Yes.
Most of them, I hope so. Please, Ji.
The teacher will be checking the attendance.
Very good. The teachers will be attending the attendance, okay?
They have been checking. So the teacher will be. The teacher will have.
इसे थोड़ा सा हाथ उठाना ऊपर इसे जरा गौर से देख लें प्लीज गिव इट टू मी अगेन नो दैट इट डजंट वर्क दिस इज 9 आई मेक इट सिंपल फॉर यू व्हाट विल हैव बीन
Yes.
विल हैव बीन व्हाट
Will have.
Yes, right.
ओके
Yes.
again the teachers will be doing justice with their teaching.
Yes, sir.
The teachers will be doing justice with their teaching. They will have been doing justice with their teachings for
2 hours and 58 minutes.
very good boss. That lady will be waiting for your response.
Yes, sir.
The stealing lady, no?
Yes, sir.
She will have been waiting for you for when the call was over
28 minutes.
for 28 minutes you promised her to respond to make it. Okay, please.
The teacher will be checking the attendance.
यार उसके बाहर उसका काम नहीं है. This is not the duty of the teacher, to check the attendance, to call the roll. That is the duty of some other person. That it can office boy there and so on like that. Forget about it. Teacher is the one who teaches. Yes. Please.
The teacher will be checking the mistakes. They will have been checking the mistake for 2 hours and 59. Sir.
The teachers will be correcting mistakes.
Yes.
Will be highlighting mistakes. Clear?
Yes.
Will be explaining mistakes.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
They will have been correcting mistakes, explaining mistakes, correcting mistakes. Clear? Eradicating mistakes. Getting rid of mistakes. Clear? Now, getting rid of mistakes if they themselves make mistake. They will making that efforts to make the students get rid of mistakes. Later on we will discuss in detail. Okay, the teachers will be correcting mistakes, will be correcting, highlighting. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please, next now. They will have
They
been
will have been
highlighting.
mistake for 2 hours and for 3 hours.
Wow, for 3 hours now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The teachers will be doing their duties.
Yes.
The teachers will be doing their duties. Please, second part of this second concept of this you can say,
Format.
this format, please. Second part.
The teachers will have been advising the student for 3 hours.
Excellent. Now.
Yes, sir.
Very good. The students will be attending the classes. Any one of you?
Will have
Complete. The students will be attending the classes.
The student will have been attending the classes for 3 hours.
Very good. Points clear?
Yes, sir.
The principal will be watching. The principal will be watching the school activities professionally. Ji.
the principal has been sir, singular है.
Forget about that.
Yes.
There's no question of that. No. Will have been.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Principal will have been
Or watching the school activities professionally.
for 3 hours and 1 minute.
Very good. No, so simple that is no.
Yes, sir.
You can say the principal will be leading his team. The principal will be
Leading his
team.
team.
He will have been. Sorry to the ladies, no, he or she. See, he will be leading, no, that his team. Or if the principal is a lady, so we can say she will be leading her team. No, correct? And she will have been leading her team for 3 hours and 2 minutes. Or he will have been leading his team for 3 hours and 2 minutes. Clear?
Yes.
The teachers will be following their professional leader. The teachers will be following their professional leader.
The teacher will have been following their professional leader for 3 hours and 3 minutes.
3 minutes, 2 minutes. और वेखनी वगैरह जा अगर वेख लवा दे चवल न बग गए सारे यही the problem, we don't consult. Develop a habit of consultation.
Yes, sir.
Consult the dictionary, consult the literary people.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
People, what kind of people? Literary, not literary. Literary. What? Literary. Literary. Literary.
Yes, sir.
See, next question, no? The security guard will be doing his duty at the main gate.
Yes, sir. Right.
Please.
The security guard will have been doing his duty at the gates for 3 hours and 3 minutes.
Very good. 3 minutes. Security.
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 Secure.
Security.
Very good. No?
Security.
Security guard. Ji, please. The security guard will have been doing his duties at the main gate for
3
3 hours
and 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Say, the district coordination officer, the DCO, clear?
Yes.
The DCO will be entertaining the applicants. The DCO will be entertaining the applicants. Please.
The DCO will have been
Entertaining the applicants
for 3 hours and 5 minutes.
because the office timing is 8. The DC office, it opens, no, it starts working at 8. Clear?
Yes, right, sir.
Over there in DC office,
Yes, right, sir.
see, different people
People.
know will be meeting the DCO. Please.
The different people will have been meeting the DCO for 3 hours and 6 minutes.
Very good. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's move forward. In a very simple word.
Yes, sir.
Any other place in your mind, please? Any other where?
Park,
Park,
Yes, sir.
ground,
ground,
Mosque.
mosque,
a station.
yes, very good, station,
Market.
terminal, bus terminal,
Yes.
no, there's a taxi terminal, bus stand, etc. Please.
Market, sir.
Market. Okay, which where should we talk about? Where I mean school, college, etc. Whatever. Where? Hurry up.
DC office.
DC office. Sure. Okay. The office opens at 8.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Please talk about that. Who will be there and what will he or she be doing, please? You want to talk about DC office, please.
The cleaner will be cleaning the office.
Right now, at this time.
No.
That is wrong.
The clerk will be doing his office.
Office, very good. The clerks
Will-
different clerks, many clerks
Yes,
are there.
yes.
The clerks will be doing
Yes.
their office work, okay?
The clerks
Will
will
better see. See, clerks,
clerks.
clerks, very good.
The clerks will have been doing their office work for 3 hours and 7 minutes.
Very good, Moss.
Yes.
See how simple that, no? Because many clerks will be there. They will be doing their office work
Yes, sir.
and they will have been doing their office works, no, for 3 hours and 7 minutes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
And we can't comment on, no, the quality of the work. May Allah Almighty show them all the right path.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Well, you know, the bribery is there, the
Yes, sir.
bribe culture is there, no, and so on. No. See,
The DCO will be checking some file.
very good. The DCO, so don't rush, please. See, the DCO will be checking the office file.
Yes, right.
Okay?
The DCO will be checking. The DCO will have been checking office file for 3 hours and 8 minutes.
Hours, no, hours.
Yes, right, sir.
What's the name of the DCO?
The DCO, I think.
Kinza.
Kinza, no?
Right, sir.
Is a great lady, no? Really, she's working, no, professionally. So she will have, you're talking about, no, the DCO Kushab, no, that
Yes, right, sir.
that her name is Kinza Murtaza. So we can imagine, no, or we hope that she will have been, no, she will have been working professionally, she will have been checking the office file, she will have been, no, that entertaining, no, different applicants, visitors, no,
Yes,
clear?
yes.
For
3 hours and 8
for
minutes.
3 hours and 8 minutes. And whatever she will be doing, she will have been doing, again, she will be doing, professionally. And she will have been doing, since very good. So let's move on. Since she reaches the office, we move back today, since she reaches the office, since the office opens, since the people know that meet her. What is the name?
Yes, sir.
Please. Since when? The teachers will be teaching in teaching the students. They will have been teaching the students for 3 hours and 9 minutes. They will have been teaching the students since
8 a.m.
8 a.m. That is very, very simple. But we are adding something very, very important. You know that I skipped this one, that V1, V2, we skip that. We skip that. No, V2 over here is also V2. See. So let's know. There is something. नहीं बन गई उसकी मेरी।
Yes, sir.
This is
V2, V1.
and
My class fellow, her name is Kinsa.
Kinza, very good. See, so let's know, please. Today we are going to know that talk about sins, and we are going to adding some more piece of information regarding sins.
Yes, sir.
So should we begin from this or from now that this 8?
Yes, sir.
No, sorry, that is verses 47. 7. Should we begin now from 7 or from 9? Please let me know. From 7 or from 9?
Sir.
I think 7. Let's now
Yes.
begin from C. You are standing. You are. What are you doing now? Format number 4. This is now 4 and 7.
Yes, sir.
You are standing. You are
Standing.
standing at dais. Since when?
10:40.
Very good. You have been. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
You are standing at the dais. You have been standing at dais since
40.
since 10:40 am. This is the old one.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Today we are going to talk about this V. Since when you have been standing at dais since you reached here. Clear?
Yes.
Since the class started. Since?
The class started.
Clear? Since I asked you to come at the dais.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree?
Sir, please describe in one word, sir.
See, in more simple words,
Yes, sir.
this is
Who?
you are standing now.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Since when? Since
10:40.
since you came here.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Right, sir.
Since now this class started.
Yes.
आप कब से खड़े हैं यहाँ? जब से क्लास शुरू हुई, जब से आप यहाँ आए उस वक्त से खड़े हो ना.
Yes, sir.
The teacher is teaching. See, I am teaching you. I am. Since when?
Since
I have been teaching you since.
we came here at
Very good. Since you came here.
Yes.
Since you stood in front of me. Now again, since now the clock. Since the clock struck 10:40. जब घड़ी ने 10:40 बजाए तो मैं खड़ा हुआ और उस वक्त से अब तक खड़ा हूँ. No clear?
Yes, sir.
Since the clock struck what? 10:40.
40.
Since the class timing started.
Yes, sir.
No clear?
Yes, sir.
अजीब नहीं clear भाई. गौर करना है. See, we can say.
So what is the first sentence? This is the second sentence.
Since for
No, say that is this is 4 and 7. We talking about 4 and 7. See, we are standing.
yes.
Yes, yes.
We are standing.
This is format number 4. What are we doing now? We are standing.
Yes.
We are standing.
Since when?
When the close.
Since we came here.
Since we came here.
Yes. Sir.
So we will change the whole sentence.
Yes, sir.
We have been standing since we came here.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Okay.
Since now our class started. No clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
See, like that. Imran Khan is criticizing corruption in Pakistan.
Yes, sir.
What is he doing? He is criticizing corruption in Pakistan. Since when?
1996.
That is
Right time.
since no 1996.
Yes.
But today's our lesson is about that who and V2 or V1. Since he made his party.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Since he started politics.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Since he formed his party. Since he constituted his party. Since he started now his career as a politician. No clear?
Yes, sir.
Please. See, Kinza Murtaza, the DCO Khushab, is doing her duty. She
Since
has been
Yes, sir.
She has been doing her duties since
when
she
started.
Why when, beta?
she started.
Since she joined
Yes.
this office.
Yes.
Clear?
yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Since she joined her duty over here in district Khushab. Since she took the charge of this district.
Yes, sir.
Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Please. What are you doing these days? Question clear?
Yes.
And since when? Talk about V2. Clear? I have been studying the IT books since I purchased them. Since I received my date sheet. Since I came to know about the importance of IT knowledge. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Since my teacher asked me to read them.
Yes.
No, clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Ji, please.
I am reading books in library.
Okay.
I have been reading books in library since I read in
Yeah.
library.
You are reading books in the library.
Yes.
These days, no? You are reading books where? In the library. It's a very good habit.
Yes.
Please, you both.
Yes, sir.
You have been reading the books in the library since you got
the books.
membership.
Yes.
Since you got the membership.
Yes, sir.
Since you collected your membership
Yes.
card.
Yes.
Since you deposited the membership fee. Still there is some mistake. See, you are playing cricket.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Since when? You have been playing cricket, since, please think. Since you grew up, since you grew up, since you decided, to take parts in sports,
Yes.
in such activities, since you decided to build your mental fitness, your physical fitness, since you knew about the importance of such activities. That's okay. You say since I came there, no. You can say since I joined the club, then it's okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, right, sir.
Came, you can talk about it, see. Like that. You are speaking in English now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You are speaking English.
Yes, sir.
Since when? You have been speaking English since you came to Silla.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Since you entered Silla. Since you joined me. Since you joined your friend. No, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Please, it's your turn.
Sir, I am reading books.
Sir,
I am reading IT books. I have been reading IT books since I knew about importance.
About the importance of
IT books.
IT books. Since I purchased them.
Yes, sir.
The day I purchased them, I started reading. Since I received them from my friends,
Yes.
means since the day my friends gave these books to me, I started them reading.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
Since now I received the exam schedule. Now clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Ji.
I am developing my English. I
Okay.
have been developing my English since I joined Silla
This is the proper way, no? You know what is he doing? He is developing his English skills.
Yes.
Writing skills, listening skills, speaking skills and reading skills.
Yes, sir.
He is developing his English skills. Since when? He has been developing his English skills since he joined SETA.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Or since he came to know about the importance of English skills, in this global village, that how important this skill is
Yes.
to live, in this global village successfully. Please.
I am taking exercise.
Very good. You are taking exercise.
I have been taking exercise since I joined the
Very good. Since you joined
gym.
Clear?
Yes.
Or since you decided, what? To build your health,
Yes.
to build your muscles, or you can say to build your mental fitness, to improve your physical fitness. Clear?
Yes.
Like that, please.
I am watching cricket match.
Very good. You are watching, the cricket matches these days, okay?
I have been watching cricket match since when I knew.
Why since and when?
Since I knew.
Since okay.
About the match.
See, you are watching, the cricket matches
Yes.
these days.
Yes, sir.
You have been watching the cricket matches these days since this series started.
Yes.
Since the series between Pakistan and West Indies started. Since Pakistan started winning.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Before that you were not watching, Since Pakistan started winning.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Since someone told you, since some of your friends, someone told you about the improvement, where? In Pakistani cricketers' behavior.
Yes.
They have changed their behavior, so they're winning.
Yes.
They are more confident, they are not overexcited, they are not overconfident, they've started, playing on merit.
I am surfing internet.
These days.
Yes, sir.
You are surfing the internet these days.
I have been surfing internet since I purchased internet device.
Excellent. This is the climax.
Yes.
What I hope that लेकिन occasion है पत्नी वही. See, beautiful.
Yes.
You know what is he doing these days?
Surfing internet.
He is surfing the internet. For how long? Since when? Since when?
Purchasing the device. Sir.
Since when has he been surfing the internet? Please, complete answer from you both. He has been surfing the internet. सिरे जो बड़ा हलांदन जब बिल्कुल वही होना था आगे दाल शहर सो गए बोलते नहीं. He has been surfing the internet since he purchased. Since he purchased what? The internet device. Since he purchased the Evo. Clear?
I am preparing my NTS test.
You are preparing what? Your
NTS test.
okay. To some extent, okay.
I have been preparing my eye test since I received the slip.
Roll number slip.
Yes.
In the first sentence you talked about NTS, and the second sentence you talked about IELTS. Preparation for the NTS and now again the roll number slip for IELTS. Great people. Okay. Great. Lovely Mohsin.
I do.
See, my mother is serving the family.
Yes.
Listen to me. She has been serving the family since she married.
Chairman.
The day she married, she started
Yes.
serving first husband, and after that there was the baby. After that minimum 200 70 days, with some exceptions, no? Clear? And then there was second person, no? She started serving. That was her son or her daughter.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
The service is going on, no? Clear? My mother is serving the family. She has been serving the family since she married. No, please. Okay, please. Hurry up. After that, no, we will be doing something. Please, very important about that audio data and visual data. Please.
I am thinking about my IELTS.
You are thinking about the IELTS very seriously.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have been thinking about my IELTS since I started IELTS.
Very good. Now, since you decided to appear in this test, no?
Yes, right.
Since you joined SELA,
Yes, sir.
since Mr. Sher Ali Malik told you about
IELTS.
the seriousness for this examination.
Yes, sir, right, sir.
Clear? Please hurry up, one sentence, then we'll move
I am
on.
teaching.
You are teaching.
I have been teaching since I joined the school.
Very good. How simple that is.
Yes, sir.
He is teaching. Since when? He has been teaching since he joined some school.
Yes.
And please.
I am eating
Okay.
apple.
Okay.
I have been eating apple since I knew the benefit.
About very good. Since the day or since you knew about the benefits of eating fruit, apples, etc.
Yes, sir.
All is well that ends well. So format number 47 is complete now.
Yes.
Yes, right, sir.
Clear? Today we added some more piece of information that was since, then who, and after that
Yes.
we do.
Yes.
So if your concept of format number 3 is clear, I went, I came, the doctor entered, the surgeon operated the question. Clear? The student asked the question. So if that is clear, so you will just use or you will focus on that format number 3, who and we do.
Yes.
And you will add it after since.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So let's know that. Thank you, gentlemen.
Welcome.
What's time?
No, senses. I'm going to show you something very, very important now. Allahu Akbar. This is great. This. Please watch it carefully.
Questions and answers. English conversation.
Which session is going to take place now?
Questions and answers English conversation.
Very good. There will be questions
And on
and answers. Question and answer.
in English.
This is called conversation. Even some doubts are there and somebody needs clarification or even some expression is there. Clear?
Yes.
Give and take. No. Something is told and that is taken. Clear? And then response is given. Conversation as we are going to. How are you?
I am fine.
Say, I am fine. Thank you.
And you?
And what's about you? Very good. Little water, please. Watch it.
Unit 1. Where?
The first unit is based on the question,
Where do you come from?
where do you come from?
I am come from Chocolate Town.
Once again, where do you come from?
I come from Bakar.
Very good. Now, where do you come from?
I come from.
I am come from.
Sorry.
This is format number 1.
Yes, sir.
Format number 1.
Yes, sir. I come from 29 blocks.
Block number 29. Where do you come from?
I come from Chocolate Town, April.
Okay.
Where do you come from?
Come from here it means belong to. I come from Jaswal,
Yes.
my village. No, I belong to Jaswal. If I were over there in Sindh, in KPK, in Pakistan, then
I come from Punjab.
Punjab. Over there, in some foreign countries,
I come
come
from
from
Pakistan. No clear?
Yes, I come from
Hello.
So generally this is the culture, the tradition, no, that the English people, they start their conversation by saying
Hello. Hello. Hi.
hello, hi, hello there, hi there. No clear?
Yes.
Hi,
Yes, sir.
hi,
Hi.
hi,
Hi there.
hello,
Hello there.
hi,
Hi.
hi there,
Yes.
hello there. No clear?
Yes.
How are you?
I am fine. And what's for you?
How about
Let's see, let's listen to you.
Yes.
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Clear?
Yes.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Very good. Very good. Please, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
How are you?
I am well, thank you. And you?
Please, ask him the same question, please. How are you? Please,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am also fine.
listen to it. You made a mistake. Please, please control your emotions. Please. Please.
What do I like the best?
There's something wrong.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please, conversation. Question, please.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you.
Very good. Ask him the same question.
How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine, thank you.
Very good. No, it's you to ask him the question, please.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
Hustle, keep laughing. You know that there's one feature of the paper is there that how to laugh.
Yes.
And the examiner will ask you know that to laugh or then examination are appropriate personality.
I am fine. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine.
Okay.
ताकि तो कोई तकलीफ नहीं कि यार I'm fine. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. It's your turn now, please.
How are you?
I am fine.
Okay.
Enjoy the company of these three great scholars, please.
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too.
Yes. मुझे इधर पर याद आ जाती है.
No, leave, please. You have only three.
How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine, thank you.
Very good. Please, watch.
Where are you from? I come from England.
Please.
Where you come? Where you come from?
I am come from Bakar.
Very good. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? Please.
I come from Bakar.
Very good.
Where do you come from? I am come from block 29. Yes, sir. I am come from. Yes. I come from block 29.
Okay, please. Usman, it's your turn now, please. Usman, time is running. You are running short of time. Please, joke. Okay. Ask him the question.
Where do you come from?
Please, hurry up.
I come from Dhaka.
Okay, please. Ask him question, please. Hurry.
Where do you come from?
I am come from. Sorry, my mistake. Sorry, my mistake. I come from 39.
Ask him the question.
Where do you come from? I come from Dhaka.